everyone, this is Cindy Crane with the Heart, and I am back with a haul. So, I actually had filmed this video before, and then, anyway. Scrapbook.com. They have a free gift. You got this rainbow glitter paper if you just bought anything in the store, so I got that for free. As well as this Hero Arts stamp set, and that sticker sheet that was shown at the very, very beginning. You just got a glimpse of that. And then what I bought was some Harry Potter washi. So the Harry Potter washi is super, super cute. I decided to get it because I thought it'd be really cute. My planner. That one has 2 rolls in it. It's like the skinny roll and then a bigger roll, and it's adorable. So I did get that at scrapbook.com. And the next thing is from Paper Person. So Paper Person had a 30% off sale for Memorial Day, and I just got some things for my book journal, which I'm going to have to do a recap. I think that's a July thing. I'll do a recap of my 6-month recap on how well I've done with keeping up with my planners. I've done well in in some areas and bad in the other. But I'm excited about having these trackers, especially the audiobook one. I also like this one too. It's got like some common tropes and some other things. I thought that might be fun to explore expanding my journal. Maybe not this year, but maybe next year, expanding it. But yeah, that was from Paper Person. And then from Coco and Reno, I got this semicircle album, and there is going to be a video where I use this. I'm going to use it a couple of times, I think, but I'm definitely making a watermelon mini album with it. A little one, and then I'm making a big watermelon album, and I'm going to use this for a shaker, actually. So I'm excited about that, and I'll be showing that with very soon. And then Pink Fresh Studio, I got a couple of things from them. I'm really loving their inks. I really love the gradation of color. So if you need something with multiple colors, you're doing a 2-step stamping, a flower, something, this stenciling where you need to get different colors of ink that are in the same color family, like a bunch of greens for leaves, for example. These are really great. Altenew does something like it too. But I really I've already used the other inks I got, and I really am liking them. And then if you spent $50, you got a free stamp set, just free. I did buy some other things. I think we're trying to locate what else I bought from them. I did buy this. I don't know if this is. Oh, I know. I really wanted this, and I decided to not get the stamp, but to just get the washi and the die. And it's the lemon and blueberries. So I will be doing a video on this at some point, hopefully this summer. I just have so many projects in the works. I have a list of things that I want to get through this summer. So we'll see if I get to that. But I did break down and just get that. And then you spent $50. You got that free stamp set, that background, that bar stamp set, which I'm about to, I need to do more with background stamps. And so I'm just going to have to work on that, investigate, decide what I'm going to do. But you got that for free. And then let's see, from, I think it's Scrapbook Pal. They had a clearance, and I've had my eye on this big Cherries stamp set for a while. So I broke down and I got it. I'm excited about it. I got the die. It was on clearance, 50%, maybe a little bit more than 50% off. And I have been, like I said, wanting it for a while. I feel like I bought something else, but I can't remember what. So anyway, it's pretty cool. And then from Trinity Stamps, they have an amazing new release. I haven't loved everything that I've seen from them recently, but I have been loving this release in particular. It's very, very good. So there's more that I would like to get. But we got this Sherbert Gnome stamp set, and I also got the die. I love it. I saw someone color it up kind of like an ice cream cone. There's the die right there. And then that Island Oasis background stamp, I'm excited about playing with that. And then this is I think it's a Waves foiling stamp, hot foil. But you also can dry emboss, so I'm going to do that. And then they give you like, I also got a couple of sequin mixes. I got this like tropical E1, I think. And then I got this birthday confetti kind of one. I got. You also get a free stamp set. I don't know if I showed that. It's a little vase with blooms, and I think when they run out, they're going to have a new little freebie when you buy from them. And so it'll change out as you go. And then from Tailored Expressions, she's turning 40, which, you know, I am younger than her. I'm going to turn 49 very soon, but she's 40. So she has a 40s and Fabulous little kit that she put out. And so I did get it. And I'm going to have to make a birthday card with it. I just have not had a chance. So many other projects. Plus, we're having to redo videos, you know, just kind of didn't make things great either. You know, what are you going to do? But I also have, oh yeah, I got the sunflower. They give you a free stamp or die when you buy from them. And so I got a sunflower one. I'm excited about that one. I just had to remember to use those little freebies. And then the 40s and Fabulous. Oh, wait. I want to show you my inks. So these are the last of the inks that I needed to get to complete my set. And then the 40s and Fabulous little kit. And it has some fun things in there, which I'm going to try and get that out of the stupid pouch. There is a simple strips. There's some alcohol inks. So the simple strips, and I mean, it's Craft Boss. I don't know if I'm going to use all of those, but definitely there's some in there that I think would be really fun to use. Regardless of whether I send this to your crafty friend or not, like Birthday Queen, and whoop, there it is. Rainbow is a color. I think those are really cute. And so that just goes with their die. And then a Done For You alcohol ink panels. So that came in the kit. And then this really cute stamp set. I love that. I might even have a cuppy somewhere. I might have kept those. I think I did. Still have my cuppies. But I really like the little candy one, and the martini's cute. But I really wanted that volleyball. I think it's a volleyball. It's not a soccer ball, right? Because Lily just started playing volleyball, and I thought that would be super cute to make her a little card, or a little card for her friends. So I kind of got it because I wanted that volleyball. But anyway, and then it came with some really cool, like, confetti sequin-y things, kind of in a rainbow color, which I thought was pretty cool. So I'm excited about all of that. Can't wait to play. And then I'm showing my Archer and Olive subscription box. So I am a huge Archer and Olive fan. I have a lot of their journals. They're very beautiful. I really love them. I always keep a spare because I have some plans for some of the ones I have. Anyway, I gave Lily the spare because she wants to write little notes for going into high school of things she wants to make sure to do or look for, clubs she wants to join. I don't know. But anyway, it was a good excuse for me to do the subscription box to get more journals. And in this box, the first thing in here is a box of cards, which I don't really need, so I guess I'll be regifting those. The tin is gorgeous, but I don't need cards. I can make my own. So anyway, I do make my own. But anyway, it does come with a tin of cards. That was the only thing I was like a little disappointed about. We get these acrylic graphs, and they match sort of this Tuscany type color scheme. And these are acrylic markers, and they're pretty amazing. They work on black and craft really well, and so I have a couple sets of them, and so I got that. And then there is some stickers, which I'm not going to show you all the stickers, but just kind of briefly. They're like a washi weight sticker, and they are super gorgeous stickers. And of course, I'm not showing it very well on the camera. I'm noticing that. Sorry about that. And then in this box right here is a wax seal die. And so you get this is different because the other ones I have are wax melts from Honeybee Stamps. These are those wax sticks. And so, which is fine. I mean, it's not a big deal, except I have to set the thing on fire, and I don't like fire, but whatever. And then the wax seal is these lemons, and it's just so cute. I'm really excited to have that. I actually just need to pull out my my melts and actually like melts some wax. And then in the pouch is a cover. It's a traveler's notebook cover. It's a vegan leather. I don't hate it. I don't love it because I actually have some really, I really have some beautiful covers already that are real leather that I love. And so I don't know what I'm going to do with this, but I guess I'm going to sell it or something. So we'll see. But yeah, this one doesn't float my boat, but that's okay. That is okay. So anyway, it comes with 2 notebooks. And the one notebook is a traveler's hardback sized notebook. And it's gorgeous. I wouldn't even know why you'd want to put it in a cover because I would want everyone to see this beautiful, like, Mediterranean kind of cover. And it's, can't really see in the glare that I've got, but I believe it's a dot notebook. So it's got those really faint dots that help you, like, line up things. But anyway, it's gorgeous. I am not exactly sure what I'm going to use it for. I might use it to do crafty things in it. You know, just prep and plan. But I love it. So gorgeous. And then this next one is going to be opened, and it is this gorgeous yellow, and it is beautiful, and it's got like sort of a light pink edge to it. I believe it's blank, but anyway, it is absolutely gorgeous. And so I've got that new notebook, and I love it. Of course, I haven't done anything with it since I got it. But it's really, really beautiful. So Arch and Olive does really beautiful notebooks if you are in the market for sort of designer notebooks. I mean, I still love my comp books, my composition books. But yeah, so that is my haul. And thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crane with a Heart.